Jordan has desert heat, ancient ruins, luxury hotels and strict dress codes. Now add a 7 kilo weight limit and bag dimensions stricter than most airlines. This is everything and this is how it all fit, even with room to spare for souvenirs. Hey guys, so let's talk about packing. Here's what I packed for 6 days, cabin bag only, traveling to Jordan. First up, these cotton or linen trousers. They are breathable and you don't get too hot in them. Also for any of the religious sites, it's better to have those for covering your knees and your shoulders. Crop tops or t-shirts as well. Again, for the same reasons, cotton is best because it's breathable and cool. Shorts is fine for hiking when you go to the desert. A longer shirt, which you could wear for dinner in the evening. It is a little bit cooler in the desert, so that does help also. If you've got a scarf, it's really handy for wrapping around, but you can also buy one of those there. I'll get onto that later. Pajamas as well. Also, some wraparound sunglasses. These are really helpful for the desert. If this is helping, hit subscribe. New travel guides drop weekly for 9 to 5 travellers like you. A waterproof camera. Now this is obviously for the Dead Sea. A fan. Now this also doubles up as a power bank, which is really handy to have, especially as you're going into the desert, although most of the places do have electricity, so there's not a huge problem there. A crossbody bag. This is really helpful to have if you are just bringing your phone, your purse, and a few smaller items, because then you haven't got to carry a larger rucksack. Also a pair of flip-flops. These are really helpful for the Dead Sea. It's very stony down there, so definitely bring some of those, or a pair of water shoes. Now I did bring a plug adapter, but I didn't actually need it because most of the places have had a UK pin available, so that's not a huge problem. A hat. This has definitely been very handy to have. I also have a baseball cap, which I almost lost whilst on the Jeep Safari tour. Toiletries. The main ones obviously are After Sun, some scalp spray here, sunscreen, also some moisturiser because the skin does get really dry in the desert. You can pick up, as I was saying, a scarf here. It's also a really nice souvenir to take home with you, one of the Jordan scarves. It's really nice. It can keep your shoulders covered. It keeps you protected from the sun. Also, I don't know if you've ever been anywhere but and picked up some elephant pants, but they do camel trousers here, which is great. I love these. They are brilliant. Bring a good pair of walking shoes. These trainers have been with me for the whole trip and they are absolutely trashed now. It's not a good idea to bring sandals or high heels because of the dust and also for the rocks. Lastly, bring an old swimsuit. If you plan to go to the Dead Sea, you're probably going to trash it. This is mine and yeah, I ruined it. Bikinis are okay because we are on a resort, but obviously if you are going to a public beach, you do need to be a bit more conservative and respectful. Bring a set of earplugs and an eye mask. As with anywhere, you're probably going to need it. And the secret to getting all of this in the cabin bag is these packing cubes. They are brilliant. Using packing cubes to compress everything was the best way to fit all I needed for 6 days in one organised setup. This packing strategy worked across every Jordan location we hit, but timing your visits, finding hidden gems, avoiding tourist traps, that's the difference between visiting Jordan and actually experiencing it like locals do. I can't find my bloody earplugs. But if you need any... hold on, it's fine, don't worry, I'll just carry on. Make sure you bring a good pair of... Damn it. I think I'm done. If you have any other questions, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you soon.